There are lots of people in my family, and we are related in different ways. Some people I get along with better. When I'm talking about my family, there are lots of useful words that I can use to describe the relationships and how we get along.
Family relationships. Were you close to your siblings? Yes, very much. Who are you close to, Mum or Dad? I would have to say Mum. Why are you closer to your mum? Probably because we are so similar. Which sibling were you closest to? I'd say my brother. Why are you closer to your brother? Because we were closer in age, and like similar things. Are you a close family? Not really, we don't see each other much. Does your family spend Christmas together? Yes, always. Were you close to your cousins? Yes, we lived quite close to each other. What was it like growing up in a large family? Very busy and crowded, but it was nice. What was it like growing up in a small family? It was great. Do you like being an only child? At times, yes, but sometimes it got lonely. What was it like growing up as an only child? It was okay, a bit lonely. It was nice when my cousins came around. Were you closer to your parents being an only child? Yes, they were my best friends.
I don't get on with my brother. He is so annoying. My dad left when I was little, so I don't know him well. It was, but my mother made sure I was okay. Do you have a big family? It's good to have family around you. I have a son. Do you have any children? That's a good age. Lots of fun.